Hi friends. If you're doing a screen recording for a tutorial video and need to show a hotkeys on the screen, you're in the right place. I spent couple of days looking for the best program for this. I found 3, you can find links in description. I think the best one is Carnac and I will show you how it works and where you can download it. You can make any key combinations and they will be displayed on the screen, depending on your settings in Carnac. You can change the position in the General tab. Text width, opacity, font color and size, fade delay, can be changed in tab, keyboard. Mouse clicks, key size, opacity, can be changed in mouse tab. Save your settings. You can download Carnac from the website github.com. Link in description. Release v3.1 beta available now. After installation, you can find the Carnac icon in the lower right corner of the monitor. To move around the Carnac window on your monitor, left-click on the middle of the window. If the video was helpful, please subscribe and like. Thank you.